We all notice that the computer be fast and smooth in use after installing a new version of the operating system, which mostly be Windows operating system. After a while, it will be slow, which will cause us boredom and anger, and after a while you will have to install a new version of the operating system. In this video, we will see how to solve the problem. How to speed up the Windows boot. Press the Windows sign and the letter R on the keyboard to open the Run box. Type misconfig in it and press OK to open the System Configuration dialog. Choose the Boot tab at the top, then the Advanced options. The first choice for the number of processor cores. Press the check mark in the checkbox and from the list we select all cores. In the second option, press the check mark for using the maximum memory capacity during boot. Then we hit OK. On the Services tab, click in the checkbox to hide all Microsoft services for the operating system, because these options are for the operating system itself, and may lead to a malfunction or failure of the operating system. And then remove the check mark in front of all unnecessary options when starting or booting the system, and we know the application is necessary or not from the list of the brand name of the program. For example here, AVG is an antivirus program, and therefore we will not cancel any need of it. It is possible to cancel some of the ineffective services, and to most likely I am not using it. After that, go to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. And cancel some programs that work automatically during the opening of the operating system by clicking right-click on the name of the program and click Disable. The service provider or the brand name, and the name of the program specify what is necessary but not necessary. This is done according to the different needs of each one. In the end, the result is that Windows starts in few seconds.